guns broken that way?
There's one in the trunk.
But it's always,
Is my neck red?
Yeah, you have like 2 marks right here.
It's honestly, it's not that bad. Ah, it's fine. You'll be good. It's not as bad as that.
You're not bleeding to death.
It literally looks like someone just gave me I got kissed, what?
Is there ricochet hits?
no.
Oh.
The only time there's ricochets when it's a hand grenade.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, really?
Even if it ricochets off your gun, it's not a hit.
What if someone's using a 40 mic?
Pick up your gun. Hold your gun like you're about to shoot it. No. If it hits you, if it hits the gun behind this forward hand, it counts.
Okay.
If it hits like the tip up there, it doesn't.
I'm playing car mode.
So basically, you're saying to hold it like this, that way.
Yes.
Okay.
Just
fair.
don't blind fire it.
Yeah. No blind.
You know what's the best place to get hit? While wearing a helmet, so you can't hear anything. Yeah,
Where the hell were we getting shot from? Fuck. No one south.
Ready? I'm not sure if he's on comms or if he's UBK.
Hey, there's one guy south, right by the wooden boxes.
Guy by the shooting Corona area, shooting at the top of the map. Who's that?
There's guys right over there, right by the wooden boxes.
I got him, man. That's the guy that shot me in the neck. Sorry. I got him.
Hey, he's out. Yeah, that was the guy.
They're moving up to this building up here. Next to us, jump.
You've been camping here for a while?
Yep. Well, I'm playing here. I haven't killed anybody and I haven't been shot at yet. Well, I take that back. I've been shot at, but nobody's got me.
I got someone right over by the tree. Oh my god. That's a green guy.
Alright, why don't you park yourself right where I'm at? I'm going to push back and see what's going on.
Yep. Got ricocheted. Fuck, that's green. Green? Oh, hit. Fuck me, dude. Got hit in the head. Fuck.
There's like 4 of them
Dead
that
man.
just ran into the purple building.
Dead man.
To the left.
Fucking hell. Oh boy. Fucking hell. Fuck me. Got hit. I got hit square right in the head.
Now you know
Oh, I
feel
have a
about my
bump.
first day.
Dude, I have a bump. I can't tell you, by the way. I just remembered the rules. I can't tell you.
I don't even know where the bench is.
Oh, dude, that hurts like crap. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
I think that was a sniper too, because I
shot in
can.
the bone.
Because it was concealed. Yeah, my head's starting to swell up, but sniper probably was concealed in the bushes, just shot at me.
Yeah, at least we have the good.
Okay, I'm respawned. Where's the guys at?
I don't know. I don't even know where the bank
Oh, you're just test shooting. Oh, here, I'll show you the bank. Because I'm going there. Fucking. Hey, by the way, how's the bank doing? Here, just keep your eyes focused right there. They keep popping up sometimes. Oh, I just hit somebody who's hit. Fuck, everybody in the bank's out.
Can't do a good Russian, man.
So. Hey Tony, where are you?
Spot. I need you back here if you can.
You're at the bank? Hey, suppress them, I gotta run. Oh, hit. That was a grenade. What the heck? Did you shoot me? Fuck. Dead man. Fuck. Dude, I got hit in the head, hit right in the wrist. So they're tossing grenades and shit. Please advise where you are. YOLO. Did it get disconnected?
Hey, you guys.
Who's the bank being held by?
Trying to play chicken with the sniper here, and it's not working in my favor at all.
Okay.
We need to help out the bank.
There's somebody by the sand mounds, maybe?
Hey, we have 2 people in the bank right now.
You're over on the fence side, where the trenches are in the Serpo.
Hey, we need everybody on deck to focus fire on the bank or go to the bank. We have 2 guys in there right now. We need reinforcements.
Guys, let's watch the radio traffic. You can't be talking with multiple people at once. Nick, your Claymore's down here at the corner of the red building. It did not
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Might not have said it right. Got action in the woods behind the farm.
Hey, yo, I'm...
Losing the green building in front of the bank. Look at now.
Hey, I'm getting shot at from the south west or whatever it is. Fucking man.
Guys, we need you guys to come down to the objective area. Over.
Okay, somebody threw a smoke bomb. Yep, copy that. I'm coming over. I'm coming over right now.
Right here behind the rock pile.
Behind the rock pile?
Tango's near that blue smoke. Over.
Hey, there's people south of the bank. Yeah, I'm not out, but there's too many people over by the objective. I had to fall back. There's just too many.
Let's go! Push! Go, go, go!
Tony.
The dead end corner.
Blue smoke! In the corner, what? You're gonna hit it.
Yeah. This is heated. You look like the commander and shit, just firing away at with your pistol. the heck?
Fire! Got it? Got it! It's good, it's good. Oh, what? That's so bad. Anyone ever shot at a machine gunner?
Wait, was there a fire or something?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. I guess it was put. Oh, shit. What the hell? I just got hit by my own teammate. The heck? Did you shoot me? Nah. Dude, I just got hit by my own teammate. Fucking idiot. Like. Dude.
They're just camping the fucking open.
Dude, where was the fire anyways?
Purple building!
Dude, I got shot straight in the fucking head. Straight.
So they took it. Yeah. I ran.
Oh, I see him, I see him. Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, I see him.
Oh, I got it. Finally, thank you.
I don't see anybody. Push the objective.